Imagine having enough money to pay for your children's education, money to pay for your dream home, or one or more prestigious vehicles, even money to pay for 5-star family vacations to anywhere in the world. And most importantly, a business that will give you unlimited time freedom. This amazing system will automatically provide you with a constant stream of passive income, an income that will allow you to spend quality time with friends and family, play golf, or simply laze around on the deck of your luxury yacht. The choice will be yours. You know it's a fact that many doctors, lawyers, and corporate professionals have incomes exceeding $150,000 or more per year, but very few of them actually ever have the time to really enjoy their wealth. Why?